So I'm here now with the family behind Kettle. Welcome everybody.
Hi.
Hi. This is Greg. Now Greg, you are an inspiration. You are the brains behind the operation. You've been doing this your whole life. Tell us a little bit more about your background.
Well, I became involved in making taps in the 60s, around the World Cup, 66.
Wow. So over 50 years in the industry.
Over 50 years, yeah.
Okay.
So I was an apprentice engineer,
Right.
a production manager, and then started my own business around about in the late 70s.
And I think you, am I right in saying you invented the first 3-in-1 tap, the Tri-Flow?
I did, with my then business partner Bob Perrin. So we invented the first three-way tap, which was hot, cold and cold filtered water from one device, the first real tap appliance.
And so you mentioned Perrin there, so you are the Rowe behind the brand Perrin and Rowe.
I am, yeah.
Okay, so what made you go then from a 3-in-1 to a 4-in-1?
Well, it just seemed like a natural next step, and it was clear that the convenience of boiling water at the sink was something really desirable. But technically we found it too demanding to do at the time, and there really wasn't a market for it either. So it took all these years before we actually got to, or I got to the point of inventing the kettle tap.
Which now has global patents, I believe.
Which it has patents in the UK, the USA, China and Europe.